Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and this is my Apple Watch dock charging station from AhaStyle. I love having this dock station because not only is it really cute, but it does such a great job of charging my Apple Watch, especially while I have my wristband on. Typically, some dock stations aren't that compatible with having your wristband on, but with this one, thankfully, you don't have to worry about removing your wristband. Also, at night, I was having trouble remembering to charge my Apple Watch. The cable would just lie flat on my nightstand. But now that this dock station sticks out a bit, I'm able to remember every night to charge my Apple Watch. And I also like that underneath, there's a space where you can roll up the cord. That way you don't have too many cables out on your nightstand. It's also compatible with all series of Apple Watches. I like this feature because my husband has a different Apple Watch series than I do, so he's still able to use this dock station. So if you're looking to upgrade your Apple Watch charging station, definitely check out this dock station from AhaStyle. That's my point of view.